Welcome to Thought Leader Life, where we are helping to democratize thought leadership. Join us each week where we interview a new thought leader about what it takes to become and maintain thought leadership in a number of different vertical markets. To learn more, check out www.thoughtleaderlife.com. Hi, Mitchell Levy, global credibility expert, and welcome to this special credibility episode of Thought Leader Life. Today's guest is Wes Schaeffer, who is an entrepreneur, sales trainer, copywriter, speaker, and author. He has helped 5,400 of the world's top speakers, authors, coaches, and sales professionals achieve growth by implementing repeatable, transferable, and proven processes. Wes, welcome.
Thanks for having me.
It's my pleasure to have you. So what is your customer point of pain? What's your CPOP?
You know, working with salespeople that shoot from the hip, that think that sales is more art than science.
Ooh, love that. All right. So, by the way, beautiful. Well done. So what does that mean? Less art, more science. What does the science part of it mean?
Well, you've always heard people say, oh, you've got the gift of gab. You're really good with people. You're quick on your feet. You're so funny. You should be in sales. And they think that it's just some esoteric feature that salespeople are born, not made. And the reality is what it takes to make a sale is very predictable, which makes it very scalable if you take the time to figure it out. People are extremely predictable. Okay. I can say, hey, Mitchell, man, I see your Facebook profile and you've got some black hat on. That thing's ridiculous. How would you feel? Right.
Well, you could say that, but it won't be true.
I know exactly how you're going to feel. Right. Or I can say, Mitchell, I love your Facebook image, the blues, the suit, the artwork, the signature, the tagline. It's like, I can tell you're a pro. How are you going to feel? So we know how to elicit the responses out of people if we take the time to study it. And so, but the reality is, I always say that to make any sale, you must make every sale. And what I mean by that, everything you do, your background in this video, your book cover, your Facebook, your email, your ads, your web pages, how you answer your phone, your email signature, your business card, how you look when we meet in person, all of that is a sale. Each one of those are touch points. And so in any sale, there's dozens of things that the prospect looks at and reviews and considers, even if it's subconsciously, in order for them to say yes. And so if you don't break it down every step along the way, then you're not maximizing your potential as a salesperson, as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, as a sales manager.
Wow. Okay. That was good. I was so mesmerized listening to you. That was really well done. So clearly you've got credibility, but I have to ask you this question. What gives you the credibility to do what you do?
A few things. I started out in the military, graduated from the Air Force Academy in 92, served around the world for 5 years. It gave me a lot of insights and experience into leadership, what makes people do things they don't want to do and like it, right? How to get people to do tough jobs. And, but then in 1997, I jumped right into commission sales. I was married, we had a baby, another one on the way. Now I've got 7 kids. My wife has stayed home for 24 years. For
Wow.
13 years, I've owned the Sales Whisperer. I've hosted 400 podcasts of my own, episodes, written 2 books. So I put food on the table for a family of 9. So I'm either very good at faking it, or maybe I'm onto something.
That's beautiful. So I think you answered a little bit about the question, and that is, now that you've got this credibility that you share, how do you demonstrate it? How do you share it with others? And you did mention having 400
Right.
podcasts. What else do you do?
So I have 2 different podcasts, one with over 400 episodes, one with about 30. written 2 books, got a couple of CDs, have some membership sites, 1,100 post website. I speak. So you do whatever it takes, right? Active on social media. You want to be, we have to meet our prospects where they are. Okay. So just like going fishing, doesn't matter if you have a nice boat, fancy radar, the latest rod and reel, super fancy lures. If you got the wrong bait, you're not going to catch anything. And if you go where the fish aren't, you're not going to catch anything. So figure out where your ideal prospects hang out, because birds of a feather do flock together, and then put stuff in front of them so they can't help but see it, trip over it, click on it, open it, read it, listen to it, and then the other is, multimedia, multi-step. When someone does engage, 1 is a very lonely, risky number. I don't have just one computer, right? I've got 2. I don't have just one backup. I have multiple. I don't have just one way of getting customers. So you've got to figure out where they are. And, and fortunately or unfortunately, you have to look at where the risks are. What's going to go away? I'm hearing that Facebook's making some big changes again. There's a lot of people that have made a lot of money leveraging Facebook, and that's fine. But what happens when they change the rules? Can your business survive? So you want to be in more than one place where your ideal people are.
Having listened to this, there's one thing that sort of pops in my mind, and that is, I think to be human, from the day you were born, you're a salesperson. You want to get attention, and everything you do is a sale. And I love that you say that you have to get a sale at every transaction, because we all know, and we've heard many times, how many times you need to touch people before you get the sale, and then putting it into a systematized approach that allows you to take all those, if you call them minor sales, or all those sales, and combine them into the ultimate sale, is so much better than the art of being a good gabber and hoping.
Right. Yeah. Hope is not a strategy.
So listen, if you're a salesperson, you need to do a better job of helping close more business for whatever company you're working on. If you're the CEO of a firm, by the way, you're still a salesperson until you hit about 150, 200 million in revenue. So you're still the chief sales guy, even if you have somebody in that role. And if you want more help, more support of figuring out how to close each and every sale and drive more business, you need to talk to Wes Schaeffer. Wes, how do people reach out to you?
The easiest way, my website is thesaleswhisperer.com. Everything's accessible there. My social media links. It's actually my phone number that comes to me. If you want to get right into training, go to 30daysalesgrowth.com. It's the most affordable, greatest access to the founder training program with a 1-year money back guarantee on the planet.
All right, dude. Well done. Wes Schaeffer, thank you so much for joining me. And for everyone who's watching and listening, thanks for paying attention to this episode of Thought Leader Life. We'll see you at the next one. Take care. Bye now. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Thought Leader Life. Please subscribe to us on YouTube and activate us by going to thoughtleaderlife.com/activate. Till next time.